What is going on, guys? My name is Mr.G, and today we're going to have our website in HTTPS. Okay, that is in secured. For now it's not secured. You can see there is no SSL certificate in our website. Okay, how you can get it for free, coming right up. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is let's go back to our Freenom. This is Freenom client area. Okay, so if you are looking for how did we get the free domain and free hosting, you can check that out in the description. That there is a tutorial on the last video that we are doing, so that's why we get this free website. Actually, this is in maintenance mode outside, and yeah, you can see a maintenance page when you're going to visit Mr.G tutorials. Okay, so in our Freenom dashboard, let's go ahead to our services and our domains. The thing that we're going to use is the free SSL of Cloudflare. Okay, so we are in the dashboard of Freenom, and the only thing that we're going to change here is the name servers. Let's go ahead and click manage domain, and to find the name servers that we are using is manage Freenom DNS. Hopefully it's in there. Oh no, let's go ahead, let's go back. Hopefully we can find this in manage tools, name servers. There we go. So this is the custom name servers that we're using to point to infinity free. And let's go ahead, if you were going to type a free SSL, you will going to find the Cloudflare website. Okay, let's go ahead and find it. Actually, yeah, there's a lot free SSL, but the thing is, I like Cloudflare. Okay, let's load that. Cloudflare one-click SSL. It's really awesome. And let's try to sign up. Let's use. You can go ahead and pause this video and sign up for Cloudflare, and can just go back here. Okay, so after creating your account, let's go ahead. It will going to redirect you and add your websites. Okay, there's an add site right here, but basically it will yeah, let's go to save that now. There we go, add your site. We're going to add it. Add this. Basically no // it's just Mr.G tutorials.ml. Add this site. Okay, we're querying your DNS records and click next. Okay, so this is the plan. They got a pro version, which is really awesome, and for the business if you got lots of traffic, yeah. But we're focusing on the free. Let's go ahead and click that. It includes global CDN, unlimited mitigation of DDoS attacks, a free SSL certificate, which is the one that we are after. Okay, but they are offering other options also. Let's confirm our plan. One free website. Okay, let's go confirm. And DNS queries result for okay, let's go ahead and status DNS only. Let's just make the gray ones color orange. Let's click it. Okay, so what's next? Okay, let's continue. And for this one, this is what I'm talking about. You are going to change the DNS in Freenom to this. Okay, so for now this is pointing to Infinity Free, and now it will going to point to Cloudflare. Okay, let's copy the second, paste it in, and then change name servers. Okay, changes saved successfully. Okay, we're good to go. Now to activate, point the name servers DNS to Cloudflare. Yeah, that's what we did. And let's continue. And now website is not active, DNS modification pending. Okay, you need to wait for, it may take up 24 hours. Yeah, but some of my experience goes to like seconds. It will take only seconds or minutes. I'm going to pause this video and let's see if this is active. Okay, let's just wait. And we are back. So the status now is active. You can see it right here. What I did is I just refreshed the page. It took me 5 minutes to, get this done. So what are we going to do next? Let's go ahead and try our website if it is loading. Okay, let's go ahead and refresh this. Yeah, it's loading. Let's try HTTPS this. If it's loading also, then we're good to go. Yeah, it's loading. How about that, huh? So the thing that we're going to do now is let's install a plugin. Let's go back. Let's try to install a real simple SSL. That can help us make the things in our website much faster. Let's try to add new. Let's search for real simple SSL. I don't know if it's really simple, real simple. I don't know. Let's try to change that. Let's just search for SSL. Really simple SSL. No setup required. You only need an SSL certificate, and this plugin will do the rest. See? Now let's try to install that. Installing and activate. Okay. So, okay, you can see it right here. Detected possible certificate issues. Real simple failed to detect a valid SSL certificate. If you have an SSL certificate, try to reload the page. Reload over HTTPS. Okay, let's do that. And I need to sign in again. Let's go ahead. Remember. Almost ready to migrate to SSL. Some things can be done automatically before you migrate. Yeah, this is go ahead and activate SSL. Let's try to go ahead and activate SSL. Let's see if that works. Hopefully it works. Try to visit our website if it's loading. If it's loading correctly, normally it will going to pop up here a key, a padlock. See? And our website is in maintenance mode because we need to sign in again. Okay, let's try to refresh here because the site is in SSL. Let's try to remember. Okay, so this is what happens when you visit our website. It's in maintenance mode. Now we are in HTTPS. And the tool that is free to check if you got I don't know what happened to Chrome. Normally it got a green HTTPS right here. Now it's gray. I don't know, maybe that theme that I'm using is affecting that, or the new Chrome update. Okay, let's try to winopadlock.com. This is a free tool that we're going to check if your HTTPS is installed correctly or there is no issue with your website. So let's go ahead and copy our website URL, paste it here, and then I'm not a robot, check it, and then test the page. If you get no red warnings right here, then you are good to go. Okay, let's just check. Yep, we're good. Yeah, no mixed content. This is okay. Don't need to worry about that. And we have our own good connection. See, HTTPS. I don't know what happens to that way. No, let's try to check in Internet Explorer. Okay, it's the other sites. Check. Okay. Yeah. We're good. And that's how you get a free SSL on your website, okay? And if you got a problem or errors, you just comment that in the comment section down below, and I will try to help you with that. And thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. It's really, I really appreciate it. Okay, so we got 7 subscribers right now. We're tracking, and we're growing slowly. That's good. Okay, and see you next time, guys. Peace.